At Medcor, Teletriage nurses are on the line, literally, wherever they are. He starts his scheduled shift from home by logging into Medcor's Teletriage platform and reviewing protocol updates before the first call comes in. An injured worker calls in from the job site. The nurse follows a structured clinical assessment by listening, asking specific questions and documenting cases in real time, all while following Medcor's step-by-step protocols. Based on the assessment, he recommends the worker follow a self-care routine. He issues care instructions and notifies the supervisor, all within the call. Every call is fully documented by the nurse and handed off to the right care team. Nothing falls through the cracks. Throughout the day, he manages a steady flow of calls. Minor injuries, self-care instructions, urgent escalations, each one handled with clinical precision and real care. Teletriage nurses at Medcor work from home, making a real difference for workers and employers every single day. Work where care happens. Explore Medcor's Teletriage nurse roles at medcor.com/careers.